In today's video, I'm going to be teaching you 3 different ways you can shuffle a deck of cards, starting from easy to advanced shuffles. So grab a deck of cards and let's get started. So the first shuffle is going to look something like this. So this is called the overhand shuffle, and it's probably the most easiest shuffle out of them. So you're going to start off holding the deck with your thumb, index, and middle, like so. And then what you're going to do is with your other hand, with your non-dominant hand, you're just going to come over and peel some cards off. And then you're going to come over again and then peel some cards off. And then the process kind of just repeats itself, like so. And yeah, that's it. And the next shuffle is a little bit more advanced, but not by much. It's called the riffle shuffle, and it looks something like this. So to start, you're going to cut the cards roughly in half like this. And then with both of your hands, you're going to grab them like this with your thumb, middle, ring finger. Then your index finger is going to be pushing the cards like this. And then essentially what you're going to do with both of the cards at the same time is you're going to riffle through them with your thumb like this. And when you riffle them together, they'll shuffle like that. Then after that, you're going to come in with your thumbs and put them in the center while you take your other 4 fingers like this and put them behind here, and then you let go with your fingers. Oh crap. And then when you let go with your fingers, they'll kind of just bridge automatically like that. Now this is the most advanced card shuffle, and it looks something like this. So this is called the Pharaoh shuffle, and this is one of the ways you can actually perfectly shuffle the cards together. Oh crap, we cannot focus. Aligned with each other like that. So what you're gonna do is you're gonna split the pack roughly in half, like the riffle shuffle, but you're not gonna do the riffle shuffle, obviously. What you're gonna do is you're gonna hold them vertically like this, with your pinky on the bottom with your dominant hand, and then with your non-dominant hand, you're gonna have your index finger on the top. And then with both hands, you're gonna have thumb, middle, ring, like that. So your grip should look like this. Then what you're going to do is you're going to come over with your non-dominant hand and put them on the top of the other pack like this. And then what you're going to do is you're going to kind of combine them together like that. And then you should see that they'll start combining together like that. And then if you keep going, keep pushing in, they'll Pharaoh together like that. Now this looks easy, but it does take a lot of practice. Then after that, you're going to come over and do a one-handed bridge, which is actually really easy. And how you do that is you're gonna come over with your dominant hand, you're gonna grab all the cards. If you have big hands, like me, you're gonna bend the cards, and if you slowly let go, they kind of just bridge by themselves. Now, if you'd like to do magic tricks, I would recommend checking out this video right here, where I can teach you how to do a really easy no setup magic trick that takes like literally no skill to even do. Thank you for watching and have a great day.